Booking a flight with credit card points is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm gonna teach you how you guys can book a flight using credit card point. So for that, you need to search any of the flight that you wanna book. Suppose I just did this randomly, and after that, I'm gonna select any of them randomly. So suppose I wanna book that, I'm just gonna click on select. And after that, they will want me to put all the information. So you just need to put your name, your code and phone number, email, and all the details. Now after that, be careful. They will want you to pay using your credit card. You can put your credit card information. Your credit card should look like that. You need to put the card number, your CVV, and your name, and your expiry date as well. So how can you, pay with your credit points? So the process is pretty simple. You just need to open up any of the banking app of the company, the credit card you're using. After that, you have to, go to the rewards point and you can redeem them to, the amount of money. So after that, you will easily be able to book a flight using your credit card money, which is actually credit card points. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.